I know your problem. Yeah. From 1 week onwards, I am not uploading any video because I am so busy for exams. This video is for my style Maggie. Okay, this is my one. Yeah. First, add oil to the pan and switch on the stove, and onions, small slices. Okay, capsicum also small slices, carrot also small slices. Mix it. Mix well, guys. Yeah. Okay, guys. Now add chili powder. Yeah. It is half tablespoon. Okay. Now add turmeric powder. Half tablespoon. Means small. Okay. Little finger like that. That much. You should add the turmeric. Now add the eggs. Yeah, by crushing. Mix well, guys. Now some oil. Mix well up to this result, guys. Okay, then take that in separate bowl or plate. Okay. Okay, guys, we prepared the fried egg, and now let's prepare the noodles. For 2 members, 2.5 glasses. Okay, I'm using this tip only. For 3 members, 3.5 glasses, like that. And I am keeping the noodles, and we should mix with water and adding a tasting masala, which comes from Maggie packet. Okay, only one. Okay, not two, only one. Then now you add the second tasting masala. Okay, guys, if you want means you can add water. If you don't want means don't want. Now you can add the spices, masalas, or chicken masala or the biryani masala, like that. Masalas. Now you mix well, guys. Guys, now add the egg. We prepared one, no? Egg and vegetables, and now add and mix well. Then your noodles result will be like this.